Hey somebody, when I started to the Microsoft Office, I will learn in Microsoft Office 2007. 2007 when I learned to the this Microsoft Office 2007 tools and what tools use, and then we start to the Microsoft Office 2007. Mm, I will description to the links and Microsoft Office 2007 downloaded. This is Microsoft Office 2007. I will open my Microsoft Office 2007. Wait, this is a thin paper of sheets, A4 size paper of sheets. This is the A4 size paper of sheets. Is the Microsoft Office 2007 is open to this paper is sheets, and this page layouts. You will be go to that page layouts, and this is the margins go, and this page borders will spaces and spaces margins lifted. Uh, then this size options will go to the, and paper this paper is selected. You select the papers. My paper is A4 size. I will select the A4 size papers. When I paper is my paper is A4 size paper. This paper is A4 size papers. That's this options is a zoom backs, and this option is a zoom. And then I text in this page, and this options is I will select the headings and size. This is the headings. Then I will options, and this is selects to the color changing to the, then you select this text and change the colors. Yeah, and you change the size. This size is change the size, and change the this options. I will you will be change the text writings and the bold. I will change the text writings. This is a text designs change. I will change the text designs. Then select the, I will large the text and designs change. Then I will change the text background color. My text background color is yellow, and my text color is I will select the first of all, so I will select a text, and then I will change the text colors. Then I will change a red text colors. This is my titles of this page, and I will be any option I will text. uh, then I will select, first of all I will be select, you will remain to the, I will select the text, and when I change the font size, then I you will after you remember to the, then I will select that fonts to after we change the fonts written text. And this I will select these types of fonts. I will select this type fonts, and text color you will remember to the text color. I will select the fonts, and I will change the fonts colors. This is awesome. My text fonts, and I will change the, I will change the place of the text. I will I will middles on the A4 size papers on the text, on middles. This is the middles on the text my, and I will right side in the my text. This option is the right side on the my text, and this option is the left side on my text. Then I will change this options is a is a point wise. Then we can change the point wise. All the text is explained. and this is options is I will change the 1 to 3 and alphabet numbers and numbers to be changed, and this options is a volt my text, and this option is underline on my text. Then I will go to the insert on uh, on I will go on and insert text view me. I will go, then I will select a tables options, and this options I will select, and the tables will create a, then I will create a tables. I will say I will options select my this options is not removed. I will remove these options, and I will go to the tables and create this is my row, and this is my columns. Row and column I will create a 3 row and 3 columns, 2 row and 3 columns. Then I will select designs and my row and columns. This is my designs. Then I will go to the insert and select and insert the my page in the row. uh, Clips art I will search online in the searching the image, and the I will go to the study and select, and this is study, and this image I will select. This is options is I will select, and this image is for me go, and this corner I will when I size the image is less, and I will adjust the image size, and design will change the image. Any types of the design will change the image, and we'll after we'll go to the insert options. Then I just shapes other different types of the shapes, and this pictures is my computers is go to the and click on my pics and send with me, and I will select the ones pics in this types this image I will select, and then I this type is image I will select, and other form I the select on the image is 3D form I will select the image. This is a design. This select is a shadow, image shadow. This is the frame of the image, and I will go and create a my chart. Other persons will create to business yeah any data will data use, then you will choose the this options you will create use the this option you will use the charts any data I will select the these types of the data charts. Then I will options I will select in this types of the create on the this I will create data and will change any data. This my data, this is my graphical data. Create this is my graphical data, and I will this change in graphical data. I will select a 55.9 select, and my graphical data is changed. Then I any data I will change um, change. This is my graphical data I will changed. uh, I will close this sessions, and this sessions is change the other color options. Any my every options I will select any options. My different types of option is select. I will save the template. This options is I will save the templates, and this options I will we go to that view designs. This option is a designs, and the option select removes, and I will go to the and I will go to the word arts, word arts. words art, I will go to the word art and design to the select of the any designs. Then we I select any names. Is the my name is SUBSCRIB. Subscribe the subscribe channel CHEN channels and study banda STUDY BANDA study banda, and by I will select the study banda and the designs is my create and new designs. Then this is my new designs, and then I select to the change the this designs. When you any designs change, this software is thank you for this video and watching, and this software is awesome. You will be to try and this video and watching to the this is awesome software Microsoft Office. And I will next video to the projects of the Microsoft Office. Then you use to the Microsoft Office. Then next video I will to the project, and next other video when I create the video to Microsoft Office 360. Thank you for this video and watching, sir. Watching.